Your video will start in just a minute. I forgot again to say that there will be pictures of the layouts at the end of the video, and there will also be a link below for the original kit, which is the same. Here's the video.
Hi, it's Ronnie, and this is my end of the month plus my for November. I didn't get very many layouts done. I completely fell down on the job. Yeah, I got 5 out of this kit. So I'm going to use the same kit because I have 26 papers, counting cardstock, and several scraps to go still. And yeah, there's quite a bit here still, and plus all the embellishments. So it's the same kit as last month, except for this missing out of it. And if you want to see it, I'll leave a link below for that because it is the same thing. I did add a couple of things that I used on layouts, but other than that, I don't think I added anything to it. I found a paper pad, 12 by 12 paper pad, which hopefully I will not use. That is Halloween. But I've got all of these pictures that I planned on scrapping and going with it. They're all fall ones. And so I've got plenty of pictures that I was planning on scrapping with these papers. I just did not get it done. I had lots of computer problems and couldn't get the voiceovers done, so I do have a couple that still has some voiceovers coming. But yeah, and I lost one of my layouts. Yeah, one layout was for my sister, and she came by, so she thought automatically she's taking it with her, and I said, well, I guess so. I put it on Facebook in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club because it was for it, and I didn't have a process video for it. Mostly it was to make die cut letters. And I thought, okay, she could take it. Well, I called her. Guess what? Behind that layout is stuck the other layout that I have missing. So it is not a How to Kill Kit with Style one. But I also made 4 for upcoming videos that are for hops. So there is 4 more, but they're not this kit because I didn't want to use this kit for them. So I did a few more than what's here, more than this 5, but not much more. But I did this one, and I used this paper that is shaped, and I really like that. And this was a, let's see, I think this was just, I don't think I did it for anything other than the kit. A couple I did for Punched Out Thursday, but I don't think I did this one for anything else. I used some thickers that I've had several years, which I was glad. And I used several die cuts. This one's something B. Oh, I can't even think of what it is. But they have awesome storage, yeah. And this one was a Peachy Cheap one. And that included this and this. And there was a witch. So yeah, and it included that. And this is a very old Sizzix green die. If y'all know what a green die is, it's very old. It's the smallest one, and it's the old one. And I did this one for a Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And let's see, what was the theme? I know there was a theme for it. I cannot think of it. It was for a challenge. I think it was to use old papers because all 3 of these are old and very, very thin. This outer edge is the only thing that's thick. But it was my niece, and I cut this out. It was a wreath, and I just made it into a swag. I used sticker letters and did some layering here and here. So yeah, I'm thinking, I wish I could remember. I need to put a from now on, I'll put a sticky note on the night I do them. And this one It was for a punched out Thursday. I used a border punch on this and then made it into a pinwheel. This was die cut, and so was that and that. This was a punch, and I made it into a sequence shaker box. And this, it has a circle punch, but I had a die from the die set that this came from. I had a circle punch and put the eyeballs on there, and I cut the ears off the die cut and the wings off the die cut. So I put several things together to make it. And this was punched out Thursday for sure, because I made pumpkins out of circle punches. And I have one of them tumbling over, and then I inked them all. And I don't think I used any other punches. Oh, I used the maple leaf punch on here. And this one, punched out Thursday, I had punches for this. It was a punch that had like several punches on there. And so I had the cats, and it had the bats, had the little pumpkin, it had the ghost, and then it had some smaller things like candy and something else that was really small, but I didn't put them on anything. And this is it's not a die cut, it's a doily, but this is a die cut. It came with that Peachy Cheap die cut, and that is it. Oh, I used the 1-inch punch on this and just punched it out of paper. This one I cut in hand cut because it had ruffles along the edge. But yeah, look how much of this I have left. So yeah, it's just going to go over to the next month because I have so many fall photos that I want to do. I didn't even pick them all up last time. And this, I was playing with this, trying to learn to use them because they just keep moving on me. I just can't catch the picture that good. Maybe they're making thinner pictures than they used to. That's why it's so hard. I don't know. It would move, and I'd even be cutting my knife down, and it'd go clear over here, and it wasn't even supposed to be over here. But I'm going to practice some more before I actually use it on layout. And this paper isn't the paper I planned on using with this picture, but I had 2 of these pictures and thought if I want to mess a picture up, I'm going to use this one because I do have a spare. But that's it. So, same kit for this month. Sorry. Hopefully I'll get more done because I do have that stack of pictures that I want. And plus, last night was Halloween, and I got more to do. Some are really, my granddaughter and her little cousin, their great-grandma made them unicorn costumes, and they look so cute. They're just so adorable. And so I want to do them, but I may not use, I'll probably use one on her by herself, my granddaughter, but use something else with unicorns with the one of them together because they are just so cute. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you leave a comment below, I'll be sure to reply. If you like the video, if you'd hit a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you subscribe, I'd appreciate that too. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a happy, scrappy week. Bye.